How to set up proxy in ClonBrowser with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the ClonBrowser. First, click Proxy on the left to create a proxy setting. Click New on the top. Choose corresponding connection type. We paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302. After customizing the name, we scroll down and click Connect Test, making sure this proxy available. We click Save to save this setting. Now, we click Browser back to the browser management. We click the button in middle to create browser setting. Customizing the name, we choose country based on proxy. Then, we scroll down and click Existing Proxy. Choose the only proxy just created and click Create Browser. Now click the Start button to open browser that was just created. Wait for a minute, then turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.